Your Audi assists you with various driver assist systems that increase safety and convenience. You can change the settings for each system as you require. To do this, open the app menu, then select Driver Assist to open the overview. Various categories of driver assist systems are available. Press the 3 bars to open a driver assist system. You can view more information about the system by selecting the eye symbol. You can use the star symbol to save each system as a favorite in the Favorites menu. Some functions are set as favorites as standard. You can deactivate driver assist systems if you wish. Due to legal requirements, certain functions are switched back on automatically when the vehicle is started. A pop-up will inform you of this. Once you have started the vehicle and confirmed your settings, a push notification will appear. Press the notification to see the reactivated function. You can switch it back off here if you wish. You can also open the notification at any time via the drag-down menu. You will receive a warning via a push notification if a function is currently unavailable. Open the warning memory via the car tile in the app menu. Open the Servicing tab and select All Reports. All warnings are collected for you here.